auction. It is not yet confirmed. However, if you wait for confirmation, it's going to cost you in trade location, typically speaking.
Hogue, yep. Price got too expensive. Buyer stopped. Price got a little too expensive. Sellers came in and say, all right, 4 now. But we are seeing about 7 points.
Advertised too high. Buyers wouldn't buy it anymore.
Well, same with the same story in gold. Gold down about $20 in the last 15 minutes or so. Crude, the buyer stopped. We saw crude was selling off. Crude now on the push higher. Crude about to make new session highs there. $58.11. Looking at about a 70-cent rally over there. NASDAQ, what a 3-bar reversal. Failed upside auction.
Yeah,
Call
that's
it
what I'm
want.
watching. We got a minute till it closes, but being preemptive is, I'm saying okay. I mean, stop loss would need to be above what 693, 692, and I would like to see a play back down to 630. So maybe we go down to 600. Just so hard to get in either direction. I mean, look at all these wicks here on this 5-minute chart. So it's like, it's a difficult one. It's a difficult trade. As much as I want to take a short, and we definitely could play, and I might be looking back and say, "Oh, that was a good short. I wish I would have taken it." I know there's traders in the
Good short, good shit. Also, I'll be interested to see in the ES if that 6,900 resistance becomes support now that we've gone through it. So if we get 7 points lower than here, if you're in the dip buying.
Channel over. Leslie in the chat. Dre, gold is selling because gold-silver ratio is going down. There you go. Leslie, as always, Happy New Year. 50-50 tilt in the clear. No headlines been pretty quiet. Pretty quiet right now. Won't we see another push lower? Another push lower here in the ES. As the buyers have stepped to the side. Well, spoke too soon. Buyers are going to look like they're just going to buy the dip. 69.53 last trade. We're going to buy the dip here. New highs, oil. Look at that. Oil pulled all the way back to $57.50 and saw buyers definitely stepping in, pushed it up 75 cents now. We're trading $58.25. Top of the hour in about.
Dre, that was a failed downside auction in crude oil. Want to see it?
I'm looking at it. Please show me. Yeah, it's beauty. It's a beauty.
Yeah, it is. So here's the initial balance. We looked below the initial balance here on the 9 o'clock bar. We closed back above, and the target is typically going to be the other extreme of the initial balance, which crude oil just hit. So the market opens, establishes the initial balance, looks below the initial balance, closes that 30-minute bar back above the initial balance low, confirming the failed downside auction, and the target has just been hit.
Sure has. Look at that thing go. What a beautiful pullback there.
Yeah.
Stepped in. Will this see another pullback? Jacob, if you were full, you are flat, Jacob, but would there be case, perhaps, another setup? If not necessarily for your strategy, but for someone, what are you reading? What are you seeing right now in the ES? Obviously we're about hour and 10 minutes into the New York session. Obviously, we're reading a bit of a trending market, right? Respecting market structure. You see more room to the upside, Jacob?
I mean, I prefer to go with the trend. I will not trade, but yeah, if I had to trade, I will long. Makes sense for me.